Welcome to FixLab 360. In this video, we'll show you how to fix a driver cannot load on this device in Windows 10.01 and walk you through how to solve driver can't load on this device step by step. First, right-click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Once you're in, go to Update and Security to access system updates and driver settings. On the left side, click on Windows Update. This is where all your update settings and history are located. Now, on the right side, select Advanced Options. This section gives you control over additional update features. Scroll down and click on Optional Updates. Here you'll find extra driver updates that may not be installed automatically. Install all the available drivers listed. These are often critical for resolving device compatibility and performance issues. Wait patiently for the installation process to complete. It may take a few minutes depending on your system and internet speed. Finally, restart your PC. This helps apply the updates properly and ensures your drivers are loaded correctly. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to FixLab 360 for more helpful tech guides.